Let's look at question 20. Question 20, quite easy. Question that's quite easy as well. In question 20, when she pulled down a plunger of a device and release it, the ball can move upwards as shown. Find the options that can cause it to move a greater distance. Means either there is more force applied to the ball to push it higher. For example, option A, using a less elastic spring, means using a stiffer one, it is able to apply a greater elastic spring force to push it. Or we find something that's easier to launch into the air. For example, B, finding a ball with a smaller mass. But decreasing the distance that the plunger is pulled, it will mean that the spring will be compressed less and exert less elastic spring force after that. So the answer for here should be option 1, A and B only.